Go ahead.
Okay. Daddy did something very special for you. He loves you so much. And Benjamin, too.
No, Benjamin.
Here, Benjamin, look.
Just a paper?
Keep the Shepherdman away.
Just a
Leave
paper.
him alone.
You got your colored paper.
Yay.
Wait a minute.
What is
What is
Can I
that?
help you? Pull it out of the box?
What?
Daddy packed it.
What is it for?
You take the paper? Let's see. Here we go.
Okay.
Take that.
What is it for? Me?
I think it's for
Over
you
here on
and
this table.
Benjamin.
Bring it on the table.
Here we go.
Now, what does this do? Then I can have
Yes. Let's see here. This pops out. And look, track. And then on this side pops out too. And makes another track. And hopefully I remember all of this. This hooks into here. I think. There it goes. See how it fits right there? Look at that. And then, oops, excuse me. And then this goes somewhere, which I'll remember soon.
And what is
So
this?
cute.
This?
That is another really neat thing. You can take it out there. Let me see, where does this go again?
Corbin, what do you think of this? This is a whole town.
What do you think? Look, their track goes over here.
Yeah. That piece then connects to here.
That's it. And there's little trees.
I think there's
Is it
something in there.
this one? Let's see here. Oh, yes, that's where it goes. I was looking at the other end.
Oh,
It
yeah.
folds. It all folds up.
Oh, yes,
you
there we go.
And then it goes under here. This hooks on here. Right there. And
Benjamin, what do you
check this out,
think?
Corbin.
Is that neat?
Look
Eee.
at this.
What do you think, Corbin?
Good.
What do you say to Daddy?
Thank you.
Look at me. Say thank you, Daddy. I love you.
Thank you, Daddy. I love you.
So much. No, that's too big. That one's too big. I think. Is that awesome or what?
Wow.
Ooh.
Yeah, I think there's things that we still have to figure out.
Yeah.
And then that box has got more.
Okay. And then this piece is.
Whoa.
Trying to remember so we can come in and out of here. And then this. Let's see. Hold on.
What the?
Wait. Let me make sure it's not tangled up. There we go. Choo-choo. Crank it up.
Ah,
My goodness.
all right. Whoa.
This.
Tree line is going down.
Ah,
Ooh.
train's going backwards. This is so
cooler?
cool,
What?
huh, babe? Choo-choo.
Oh, this has little doors that open up. This goes.
What does it do?
Let me